Okay, so this is the Unihertz Jelly Pro, the world's smallest 4G enabled smartphone, and personally the tiniest phone I have ever seen or held in my life. This phone can also be referred to as the Casey Neistat $99 phone. A quick thanks to Kyrie from Unihertz for making this video happen, but as always, my opinion of this phone will be mine and I am not required to say nice things about this device. Without wasting any more of your time, let's go. So let's quickly run through what this phone actually offers. Like I said before, the world's tiniest 4G enabled smartphone, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal storage, Android 7.0 Nougat, and expandable storage. The phone also has dual SIM support, an 8 megapixel camera on the back and a 2 megapixel camera on the front. It's got gyroscope, a GPS, and a 950 mAh battery. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about how the phone actually performs in your regular day-to-day use. Interesting story. So with 2 GB of RAM, you can actually run WhatsApp just fine, you can run Instagram, you can run Uber, you can run regular Android apps that are not games. I mean, why are you running games on a phone this tiny anyway? Bottom line is, for what it's meant to be, this phone absolutely holds up. I love it. So who exactly is this phone for and why exactly should you pick it up? Well, if you need a tiny phone to take to the gym as your music player for your Bluetooth headphones, if you need a tiny second phone to use as a mobile Wi-Fi device, you need a companion to strap to your shoulder while you take your run in the mornings, then this is absolutely the phone for you. It works perfectly, it is minute and it could basically just be your key holder. Imagine having a key holder that also doubles as a phone. I think the only thing I probably didn't like about this phone was the fact that the unit I was sent felt a little bit feminine. The good news about that though is Unihertz has a completely new device coming in November called the Atom, and that seems more my speed. But this particular unit of the Unihertz, the Jelly Pro, is actually just something I'd expect my wife to love, and she does. The camera performance is not terrible. I mean, it's not flagship quality, but the camera works. It takes photos at 8 megapixels. The front-facing camera, however, is a completely different story. But again, you're not buying this phone because you want the best cameras on the market. You're buying this because you want the tiniest Android smartphone that's 4G enabled in the world. So yeah, I love my Jelly Pro. I have been using it every day since I got it, and I cannot wait to carry this with me to the gym to use as my music player. And a huge shout out to Casey Neistat real quick. We're now twins in case you didn't know that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace!